Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did use the Lust for Dust palette again from Colourpop, along with this little neon green pigment I got off of Amazon. This one was a little bit easier to use than the pink one, but it was still kind of scary to say the least. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I really do like how this turned out. I think it's really pretty. I am liking this palette so far. I did pretty much use the same shades as yesterday, so I need to like branch out and try the other shades in the palette. I think it's pretty cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. I think it's a nice little palette. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.